I have in my hand the world's greatest paper airplane. Okay, maybe not for sure, but I was looking for a paper airplane that you could fold easily with just standard paper, and I found this. It's called the Hammer, and it flies pretty well. Usually when you fold a paper airplane, they'll like crash, but this one flies straight, and it doesn't crash until it hits something, because I've only flown indoors. Anyway, first I want to apologize for any background noise you might hear, because I'm in a house with 6 other people and a dog, and one of them is sick, and they're young, and so, let's get into it. So, we have our standard sheet of paper. We're going to take it and we're going to fold it like so. It doesn't have to be exact, but the closest you can get it to, you know how when you're making a square, you do it like this and you cut off the bottom? You want to get pretty close to an exact square, but as you can see, I didn't get it perfect. Then you're going to unfold it and do the same thing to the other side. And this is easier because you can just match up the point to where you folded it, and it'll be close to exact on. Crease it really well. The key to making a good airplane is to crease it. So, now what we're going to do is take and fold it along this line that we just created. There's my annoying little sister. And there's my dog. Anyway, fold it along this line. And we do the same thing to the other side without unfolding. Crease it. And now we will take this and we'll fold it all the way down to the bottom. Give that a good crease. And now we're going to take this, and you see this line here that we creased? We're going to take that, we're going to make it line up approximately with the tops of these 2 points. It doesn't have to be exact. Fold it there, and then we're going to take these sides and fold it like that. Now you want to leave a little bit of space there because we're going to be folding it again, so we want some breathing room. Do the same thing on the other side. And then, as I said earlier, we're going to fold it over again. Okay, so we got this. Now, we're going to take this top part, fold it over so that you have a flat top. And now, we don't want to fold it like this. We're going to fold it in half, but not like this. We want to fold it outward so that this flap is on the outside of the plane. So, we'll do that. We'll line up the wings. And then crease it. And now we have this. We're going to take these and fold them down to create the wings. Fold them down so the bottom is matching up with the bottom of the fuselage. Do the same thing on the other side. And voila, the Hammer. Now, in just a second, I'll show you some footage of it flying. Thanks for watching. Alright, here's some footage of this plane flying that we just made. Hits the wall, but as you can see, it was fairly straight, much better than the average classic plane that always seems to die as soon as you throw it. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. Thanks, bye.